Hello, my name is Orchid and welcome to this video. Before we start this video, you might be asking, why is this video called Why I Sound the Way I Do and other related stuff? Well, it's not going to be a normal speed paint today. I wanted to try something new and see if y'all like it or not. If people don't like it, then I won't do this again. I got inspired to do this type of video by Peppermint's video called Why I Sound and Talk the Way I Do, and go check it out. I will link it down below. And now on to the topic of this video. I sound like this because that's just how my voice sounds like a recording, aka it's just my default voice. I know some people can change how their voice sounds like. Sure, I can do that as well, but I don't want to because it would strain my voice, and I really don't want to be holding a character's voice for how long this video is or how long a video is going to be. Sure, some people can say, oh, you can edit your voice on recording, but to be honest, I tried to do that before, but people hated it and said horrible things that I can't say on here because they were so graphic and so rude. I know my voice isn't the best, however, I really don't have an issue with it anymore. Not because it's the best thing I ever heard. It's because I just got used to how my voice sounds like, and I just accepted that. That's just how I'm going to sound like on recording. That it doesn't really faze me anymore. Unlike back then where I thought my voice sounded childish and terrible, because I thought I sounded younger than I really am, and I thought people were going to look down on me or think I was a child out because of my voice. Luckily, I don't think that my voice sounds bad anymore, or, well, it's not terrible. Well, that's all I have to say. Enjoy the rest of the speed paint. I know this was kind of short, but just enjoy the speed paint and subscribe to Orchid Artist if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.
I've been watching you. I can see I've been watching you.